Welcome back to Elmi Outdoors. Yeah, y'all seen a little while ago, I got a new truck. Well, since Elmi Outdoors is back and I'm doing stuff, I figured I would do a little bit of advertising. Look at this. Oh yeah. And it didn't cost anything for me. My better half, my queen, did it for me. Now, that goes with my license plate, which is covered by my Cletus license plate holder. Freedom Factory, you know. Everybody's got to watch it. And then the other side. That's it. Oh, look at there. We got Old Glory going here. Let's see if we can let her wave in the wind. There we go. Oh, I got my Opa shirt on. Opa is German for granddad, grandpa. And I happen to be Aria's Opa. She has a grandpa. And my wife, Petra, my queen, is Oma. Because we are the Oma and Opa, and then we've got Grandma and Grandpa on the other side. That way there's no mixing us up. Well, oops, since I'm all blown out that way, let's turn around. All right, it's just a short. See you on a few days.